In today's video, we're going to show the process of installing bathroom wall tiles quickly, cleanly, and professionally. Before the tiling work begins, the wall surface must be cleaned and leveled properly. If the wall is dusty or uneven, the tiles may not stick well and could become loose over time. Next, the workers carefully measure the wall and mark level lines using a laser level or leveling tools. This step is very important because if the first row of tiles is not straight, the entire wall will end up uneven. After the layout is complete, the tile adhesive is mixed to the correct consistency. Properly mixed adhesive creates strong bonding and helps the tiles last longer in wet bathroom conditions. The adhesive is then spread evenly onto the wall using a notched trowel. This technique improves tile adhesion and reduces hollow spots behind the tiles. Now the tile installation begins. Each tile is carefully aligned and adjusted using tile spacers to create clean and even grout lines. Around corners and plumbing areas, the tiles are precisely cut for a perfect fit and a professional finish. During the process, the workers gently tap the tiles with a rubber mallet to ensure strong contact and a flat surface. Once all the tiles are installed, the surface is cleaned before grouting begins. Grouting helps seal the joints, prevent water penetration, and give the bathroom wall a finished look. Finally, the workers inspect the entire wall to make sure the tiles are level, the grout lines are even, and the area is clean before completion. A beautiful bathroom is not only about the tile design, but also about the skill and attention to detail of the workers installing it. If you enjoy real construction videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more building projects and construction work. Zbaci.